अज़ीज़ तलबा तलबात अस्सलाम वालेकुम। साइंस बड़ा अहम सब्जेक्ट है और ये साइंस किसी क्लास भी की हो, किसी क्लास की भी हो, किसी टॉपिक पे भी हो, इसका अंदाज साइंसी होता है और साइंस एक ख़ास अंदाज में काम करती है जिसे साइंटिफिक मेथड कहते हैं। तो जो क्लास की साइंस की तरतीब होती है वो कुछ इस तरह से होती है कि ये स्टेप वाइज इस सिलेबस को तरतीब दिया जाता है। मिसाल के तौर पर अगर क्लास 6 का सिलेबस आप देखें तो उसकी कंटिन्यूशन आपको क्लास 7 में नज़र आएगी, लेकिन नेक्स्ट स्टेप, और इसी तरह से क्लास 8 में जाकर क्लास 7 की साइंस जो है वो नेक्स्ट स्टेप उसका नज़र आता है। तो आप लोगों ने साइंस के हवाले से ये बात ख़ास तौर पर याद रखनी है कि ये सिर्फ रट्टा लगाने वाली चीज़ नहीं है, बल्कि इसको समझना और कंसेप्ट का क्लियर होना ज़रूरी होता है। तो इस सिलसिले में कुछ आपकी बुक के क्वेश्चन आंसर हैं, उनको देखते हैं और इसके लिए हमें कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पर चलकर काम करना पड़ेगा। तो अब हम कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे चलते हैं। साइंस क्लास 6 के हवाले से क्वेश्चन आंसर है, इनको हम रीड आउट कर लेते हैं। थोड़ा सा प्रोनाउंसिएशन और स्टूडेंट को अंडरस्टैंडिंग में मदद मिलेगी। व्हाट इज़ द बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म? सेल इज़ द बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड इट बिल्ड्स अप द बॉडी ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म। उसके बाद अगला क्वेश्चन है, नेम सम पार्ट्स ऑफ एनिमल सेल। साइटोप्लाज्म, सेल मेम्ब्रेन, न्यूक्लियस, वैक्यूल्स एंड माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया। Name some parts of plant cell. Cytoplasm, cell membrane, nucleus, vacuoles, mitochondria, cell wall and chloroplast. What is the difference between unicellular and multicellular organisms? Unicellular animals consist of single cell, for example, algae and fungi. Multicellular animals consist of more than one cell, such as plants and animals. How does cell work and what is the hierarchy of life? Cell is living, but it needs a team to work. The cell, when combined in a team, makes tissues, and tissues collection is called organ. Organ is complete working part of body. But when the organ work in a team, these make system. Name some important system in human body. The combination of cell to tissue and then in organ make a system. The main system of human body is digestive system, respiratory system, and blood circulatory system and excretory system. What are some important parts of a plant? The plant is also consisting of, ये consist of होता है, वैसे consist of parts playing different roles. The important parts of plant are vegetative parts and reproductive parts. And number 3, roots. What is reproduction? To produce a new individual plant or animal from any of its parent individual plant or animal is called reproduction. Reproduction keeps the said individual plant or animal alive. What are two main types of reproduction? All living organisms reproduce species to next generation by two types of reproduction. Number 1, sexual reproduction, and number 2, asexual reproduction. Name important steps in reproduction of plant. Number 1, plant itself, फिर germination, number 2, Number 3, pollination. Number 4, fertilization. Number 5, zygote formation. Number 6, development of a plant and preparation of seed. What are two ways of pollination? Pollination is release of pollens from stigma to anther. It takes by number 1, wind, number 2, insects, and number 3, and it may be self-dispersal. What are the ways of natural reproduction in plants or in vegetation? Natural vegetative reproduction can be carried out by the way as number 1, through stems, through tubes, through runners, through bulbs, and through comb, thick short stem underground. What is artificial reproduction? The production that does not take place naturally is called artificial reproduction. It may occur by stem cutting, grafting, or both at the same time. What is balanced diet? Balanced diet is the diet that fulfills all the needs of body. It may contain all kinds of salts, nutrients, fats, carbohydrates, and minerals. Why a living body needs food? Food is the basic need to survive. A living body needs food, number 1, for energy, number 2, for growth and repair, and number 3, for keeping healthy. इसके बाद, what are the types of food group? The food may be divided into basic groups such as number 1, carbohydrates, number 2, proteins, number 3, fats, number 4, vitamins, number 5, minerals, and number 6, water. What are dietary fiber? Cereal in the cellulose wall of the plant cells, which passes unchanged through the guts because it is not digested. These are called dietary fiber. The dietary fibers are the part of food. तो ये इसका कुछ हिडन था, कुछ इसका आंसर तो वो हमने देख लिया. द डाइटरी फाइबर आर द पार्ट ऑफ फूड as bran of cereals and cellulose wall of plant cells, which passes unchanged through the guts because it is not digested. What is importance of water? All living things need water to survive. As these are made up of water, water forms about 70% of a human body. 70% of the human body. What is healthy eating? To eat a wide variety of food from all food groups is called healthy eating. It is important not to eat too much of fats and oils and simple carbohydrates. What is digestion? The process of breaking down food into soluble and diffusible molecule is called digestion. What two processes are needed for digestion? When we chew food and it goes under some process in our stomach and intestine as number 1 physical process and number 2 chemical process. What is physical digestion? Physical digestion involves the mechanical process of breaking down large pieces of food in smaller particles using the teeth and churning movement of alimentary canal. What is chemical digestion? Chemical digestion is a process in which the action of various enzymes in breaking down completes food molecules. Name some major types of teeth in mouth take part in digestion. Canines are the 4 teeth. In scissors there are 8 teeth. molar are 12 teeth, and premolar are 8 teeth. What is malnutrition? Malnutrition means literally bad feeding. Bad feeding includes too much food with unbalanced diet, and eating too much fats. तो ये कुछ रीडिंग थी इसके हवाले से जो आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर को रीड आउट किया